Hey guys, I know it's a little bit early, but I wanted to make a few Christmas ornaments, and I'm going to show you how to make some pretty easy and simple ones, and they turn out really cute. So what I've done, I bought a bag of bells from my local dollar store. It's just these here, if you can see that. And all you do, you take two, and some gold cord. Got some chopped off already, pre-cut, and you put it through the top. Like so. What you can do, I'm better off doing, is tying this at the bottom so that way they'll stay together. There. And then you take this and tie it up at the top. And whenever you have artificial flowers, never throw away stuff off them, because you can always use it for something else. What I do, I save the leaves off my flowers. Like you can see this, it's left off a flower. I just chop this off, and what I'll do is glue this on here, right above it. Yeah, grab my glue gun. Down for a second. Okay, oops. And you glue it above the bells. Make sure you don't stick it on the bells. You put it on the cord. Oh, hang on, I need a glue stick. Okay. There we go. Okay. And you see this here. Okay, and for finishing touches, I put some red beads right in here. Glue them on. Oops. Now, I would go with smaller leaves, but these are some big ones I had. I said it doesn't really matter. It's only for me. But you can use smaller leaves so it doesn't stick out as much. Oops. And I'm going to show you a little Halloween decoration that you could put by your door, which my sister made for me a while back ago, a couple of years ago. And I put it by my door with my Halloween candy in it for the kids. And it's a cute little thing. I've had lots of compliments on it. And it's all stuff that's made from your local dollar store. Okay, there you go. And there you go. Your red beads in the middle, and then you go on your tree. There you go. And a cute little ornament. It's plain and simple, but it's easy, and it's something you can make with your kids. Now I'm going to show you the Halloween decoration my sister made for me, and it's really simple and easy to make, and I'll show you. Okay, here it is. There's the scarecrow. It's just the ones you can buy from your dollar store, stand up on a piece of wood. And it's a crow with real feathers. His feet is glued onto the silver pails that you can get from the dollar store. And then she just filled it full of flowers all around. And every Halloween I just put my candy down in there, and I grab it as I'm going to give to the kids. So it's easy, simple, and everything is from your local dollar store. And you can see his hands is just glued onto the handle. That makes a perfect little thing for Halloween.